So guys, if your tire is punctured or the air level of your tire keeps on dropping, then which side the air is escaping or how to check it, that I will show you in this video. So it is going to be a very informative video guys. So watch the video carefully. So the first thing you'll have to do is take a plastic bottle like this and you will have to put some shampoo or detergent inside of this bottle. Now I have liquid detergent with me which I put in my washing machine. So I will take this soap inside of my empty bottle. If you take just this much, it is more than enough. Then you will have to add water in it and top up the entire bottle with water. See that the water doesn't spill out. When you are done using half of the water, you can even top up this liquid. Then put back the cap of the bottle. Then shake the bottle like this and mix the mixture inside of the bottle valve. Then you will have to make a hole for the cap. So like this, if you have a rod or if you have a thin nail, then you can use that. So keep it on the cap like this and use a hammer to tap it inside and make a small hole in the cap. So here I have made a small hole in my bottle cap. Once you make the hole, if you press the bottle like this, all the soapy water should come out from the bottle like this. So here my water is coming out nicely. So here my tool is ready to check where the air is escaping from. So come on, let's go near the car. Now on this car there is a tire of which the air level is dropping again and again. Just yesterday I filled air and today the air level is dropped, which has annoyed me a lot. So let's check this tire from where the air is escaping from. Here when I check the tire, then I notice that there is a nail kind of a thing here. I don't know if the air is escaping from there. So let's check it now guys. So here I have kept all the tools ready as you guys can see. If there is a puncture in the tire, then I can fix it right here. So let's see if I am able to fix this at home. So when I put soapy water on this, as you guys can see, no air is escaping from here. So before I do anything, I will top up the tire with air and I will keep it on the right level. Once I am done filling up the air, I will take the car up on a jack because I have to turn the tire and check on all the sides guys, on which side the air is coming out. So now my car is on the jack and now I can rotate the tire very easily. On the entire tire, I will put the soapy water like this and I will check on which side the air is escaping from. Wherever the air is escaping from, bubbles will start to form there. So here I am done putting water on the entire tire guys, but I did not see any bubbles coming out. How that can be the case? In between there are stones which are stuck inside the tire. Take those out as well and check if the air is escaping from there. Maybe it's a nail. Now the nail which I was talking about, it turned out to be a stone guys, and there was absolutely no hole there and no air was escaping from there. So I'm done pouring my entire liquid here guys, but I could not find a leak. So the next thing that I will do is I will take this tire out from the car. So to take the tire out from the car, I will raise the car and I will put a jack stand. Then I will get my impact wrench and by making use of a 21mm socket, I will take out all these 4 nuts. So before I take out the tire, I will take out my wheel cap like this. And guys, once I took out the wheel cap, all my problems were solved because immediately I came to know on which side the air was escaping from. You can come close and see here guys, there is a fault in the valve and that is the reason why all air is escaping from the valve, as you guys can see. Now to replace the valve, you'll have to take out the entire tire from the rim. Now why suddenly air started escaping from this valve, that I will show you further in this video. So keep watching the video because it is a very interesting video guys and you will learn a lot from this video. Now guys, I have a tool like this, you guys know that already. I will try to pull this valve a little bit and I will see if the air stops escaping. So I will put this tool on the valve like this, I will rotate it and then I will try to pull it. So when I pulled it with lots of force guys, but even though when I applied so much force, the leakage did not stop, as you guys can see. So now to take out the tire from the rim, you know how tough it is guys. I have already made a video on that. That is the reason why I have come here to a tire repair shop. So immediately he put the tire on the machine and he took the tire out from the rim. So let's see what has happened to the valve here. Now recently I had replaced this valve guys. Now what fault came, that I will see here now. So this is the valve and my tire is now separated from the rim. Now as you guys can see, underneath the valve, rust has come. That is the reason why the air was escaping from there. So he cut the old valve and he took it out completely, and all the rust which had formed under the valve, he scraped it out like this. And once he scraped out all the rust, he bought a new valve. He dipped it into oil, then he passed it into this hole and pulled it from other side. So here my valve is replaced. Now he will put back the tire and check if there is any air leakage in this tire. So once he was done replacing the valve, we'll go a little bit closer and see how it looks like. As you guys can see how the oil is there on the valve now. So with the help of the machine, he put the tire back on the rim. Now we will check if there is any more leakage in this tire. So he also has soapy water like how we had prepared to check the air leakage, as you guys can see. So let's go home guys and let's check with our soapy water if there is a leakage here. Now as you guys can see, after replacing the valve, my air leakage has totally stopped now. So if your tire level drops again and again, then use this method to check what is wrong with your tire. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you, and I'm hoping that you have learned a lot from this video. So that's all in this video guys, and I will see you guys in my next video with another informative video. And if you are enjoying the videos guys, then see that you comment below and let me know. Till then, bye and take care.